In my home state of Wisconsin, I am surrounded by rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water. These are teeming with life through things such as fish, aquatic plants, and freshwater mussels. This is a three-ridge mussel. It's one of North America's 298 freshwater mussel species. They can be found in small streams like this, lakes, and rivers. Freshwater mussels are bivalves, meaning that there are two shells that come together around the organism. The oldest part of the shell is the umbo, which is right at the tip, and for each year of growth that the shell has, a new growth ring is added. These two shells connect at the hinge in the back. On the inside, there are teeth that hold the shell together. These mussels play an integral part in our waterways and are facing extinction. Part of this is because of their unique reproductive cycle. See, freshwater mussels can't reproduce by themselves. They need the help of something else: fish. Mussel reproduction starts in the marsupia, which are specialized chambers in the gills. Female mussels lay and brood eggs in these chambers until fertilization. Male mussels release sperm and females draw it in through their siphons. After the eggs are fertilized, it develops into something known as glochidia. Mussels either release conglutinate straight into the water, which are packages of glochidia, or they make a lure to attract the host fish in. Once the host fish gets close, the mussel will shoot the glochidia onto the gills or the fins of the fish. Here, they parasitize the fish to get the nutrients they need to develop. Once big enough, they will drop onto the bottom of the river and continue their development from there. Now that the mussels can't get their nutrients from feeding off a fish, they have to filter feed through an inherent aperture. This allows the mussels to fill small organic particles from the water, such as algae, bacteria, and detritus. An exhaled aperture is used to expel the water, fecal matter, and indigestible material. Because of this feeding style, mussels are natural water purifiers. All of the factors with freshwater mussel reproduction make mussels highly vulnerable species. They're susceptible to damage from water pollution from farm runoff, pasturing cows in rivers, and other things that cause water quality degradation. Things like this dam can lead to habitat fragmentation because it prevents the movement of host fishes and leads to less genetic diversity where the mussels are found. This can contribute to species like the winged maple leaf being endangered. Hope is not lost for these little mussels, as there are many restoration efforts going on to save them. But we can do something too. By spreading awareness, being cautious about runoff, and preventing the spread of invasive species like the zebra mussels, we can help to conserve and protect these species for the next generation.